Brian, what's happening, my friend? I know things are full speed at Comcast Business. I know you got a lot on your plate. I know that in our conversations in January, they sort of were pushed to the side based on all the other things that were happening. 100% get it. I want to let you know we are still here, and we're super excited to connect with you and the team around what we do at Elevate. I want to show you a video of some of the additional things we've been up to, whether that's keynote talks, offsite events, putting together remarkable customer gatherings or team member gatherings. Just would love to get our foot in the door at Comcast to share a bit more what we do. So I know that you're working to do that, and I want to shoot a quick video and show you a bit more of the things we've been up to here in 2023, and look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks, man. So we've been up to a lot, from virtual events to in-person events, but it all comes down to this idea of creating events that people love. The high five to the handshake to the engagement on stage and off stage. How do we make something that's fun and exciting and actually makes sense to your brand, whether it's your customers or whether it's your team members? And during the pandemic, post-pandemic, we have mastered the idea of virtual events and in-person events to make both of those remarkable. So I'd love to connect with you and share a bit more what we're up to, hear what your brand's up to. Here are some of your initiatives here in 2023 and beyond, and how we can actually partner with you to make those ideas come to life. We have invested a lot of time, money, and talent to make events virtual and in person remarkable. So we want to make everybody clap their hands, whether that's your team members or whether that's the folks that are paying full price for your brand, because we know that is a true raving fan. So look forward to talking to you soon.